so I had this crazy nightmare that I bought these 4 houses to flip for profit, and it was real. Okay, first things first. So I went and hired a hazardous materials professional. I found him on TaskRabbit. Sir, is that a real hazmat uniform?
Of course it is. What do you think this is? Some sort of an amateurish type deal?
Are you sure about that?
Hey, you do your job and let me do mine.
Okay, while he's cleaning up the blood, I'm going to share with you my big master plan for this property. Since there was a murder on the first floor, and I'm going to have to add that fact to the disclosures, I'm going to separate the first floor from the rest of the unit and split this property into 2 separate units. That way, I only have to disclose the murder to whomever buys the first floor property. So the floor where the main entrance is and the top floor will be its own unit, and then the first floor will be a separate studio unit. This means I'm going to add a new entrance right about here where the bay window is. I'll go down to the permit office today. Okay, animal control has just arrived and they have packed up all the cats and they're going to get those cats to their new home at the Humane Society. I need my construction permits, so today I'm going to be heading down to the housing office.
Hello, ma'am. What you want?
Aren't you the same guy I hired for my hazardous material removal?
Nah, that must have been my twin brother. You see, he looks just like me. I've been here the whole time.
What's the turnaround time on a construction permit?
About 1.5 years, but if you got a little something for me, I might move you up.
Okay, well, it's going to take me 1.5 years to get a permit, and in the meantime, I'm cash poor. So I'm going to turn the hoarder house into an antique store. Why do you think you're qualified to run an antique store?
Well, bruh, I don't know. I mean, yeah, like, I just think I'd be good at running things. And, I did just get a work permit.
Okay, you're hired.
Wait, what?
So I Googled meth lab removal services near me, and I hired this gentleman. He didn't have the best online reviews, but no one else could beat his price.
Actually, I'm just gonna... Okay, last thing. Whoa, wait, what? Okay. Okay, seems like I'm all good.
Meet my new construction crew, Igor, Michael, and Luigi. Between the 3 of them, they have about 6 months of experience.
That is like fireplace in Russia. Very warm.
How'd we get up here again? Where's the landing?
In Russia, pocket door fix you. And we'll build a wall here like the Colosseum.
All right, well, we're gonna call it a day. Thanks, guys. And wait, what? What is that?